To make butter, you need some double cream, preferably at room temperature, as this will whip up quicker. And you're going to pour your double cream into a jar, but you need to leave some space at the top for it to be able to move around. You can do it in a bowl with a whisk if needed. You're then going to shake up your double cream until it goes past that thick stage and whipped cream, and then the fat globules will start to bang together and form together, and then it'll push out the liquid, and you will end up with your butter and your buttermilk. Once you've got your butter, you need to squeeze out as much liquid as you can and then rinse it with water a couple of times just to make sure that there's no liquid there to prevent it from going rancid. You can also flavour with some salt or some herbs if you wish.